Hello, students. This is Chef Rakesh from Culinary Institute of India. I'm back again. Today, I'm going to talk about management. What is management? What do we understand about management? Management is something we hear every day. Everybody talks about management. But what is management? If I ask you to define, it takes some understanding of the subject. You may be doing it every day, but still you don't know that is what is management about. So what is management? And maybe along with management, I'll put in some a few lines about goals, missions, vision, motivation, and they all form together a part of management. Now, what is management? If I ask you, you will certainly say, sir, doing a work properly is management, or doing a work in a way that I want, maybe a management, or somebody appreciates you have done this in a very good way. So management, if you ask me to define what is management, management is an art of getting work done. Just one simple sentence. Management is an art of getting work done. Who will do the work? If you decide to do the work, you are your own management. But if you ask somebody else to do the work, so what are the things that you actually foresee that goes into a proper management? When you see that the work or the objective that has been asked to achieve, and you may have asked somebody to achieve a certain objective or task. A task, you can say, is an objective. Then if it is done, you say, okay, it's done, thank you. And you say, okay, I managed it well. So what do I understand with management? Management is getting a goal achieved. Management is getting work done by others. It's an art, because if I ask 10 different people to say do a certain task, maybe say 1,000 bricks lying here, you want them to shift it to some other spot. Now that 10 people will maybe do it in 10 different ways. So at the end of it, you will try to assess who has done a better job. The answer is very simple. Somebody who has used less resources and achieved the task to a better end result, so that is management, a good management, and efficient management. So management is an art of getting work done. What work? A work that will fulfill your goal, the objectives, and it may be short term, it may be long term objectives, but yes, management makes you feel comfortable and satisfied if you do it properly. So management is something wherein you utilize a lot of efforts and resources to achieve your goals and target. One of the students the other day was asking, sir, how do I get the work done? Somebody who doesn't want to work. So supposing you have 10 people in your team, and you're finding them that they are not achieving the daily objective, the weekly objective. So that means you are a bad manager. Somebody who does management is. So what are the resources that you have at your disposal? Manpower, money, machine, material, space, and time. So these are the few resources that you have. Manpower you can replace. Space you can hire more, or you can reduce your space as you need. Money you can arrange for it whenever you need. So manpower, money, space, material, everything is replenishable. But one thing is not replenishable is time. Time is too important. So anything, anybody, a team or a person or a group of people trying to achieve certain objective, time becomes an utmost importance. Now time will always define your efficiency of the work. And yes, how wholesome you have actually achieved your task. So management is the art. Management is an art of getting your work done effectively. Now the question of my student, that how do I get my people get more motivated to get the work done to my satisfaction, so that I can be appreciated for getting the task done better than others. I would like to elaborate a few lines on that. You are working for certain objectives, you have certain goals in mind, and if you keep achieving those goals, your mission is to achieve those goals properly, and then you realize your vision. Or somebody, whoever has set up an organization with a vision, you realize that, okay, we are closer to that vision. A vision is a very long-term thing. Mission is putting the work in proper perspective, doing it properly, step by step. That should be a mission. And goals is to, whenever you achieve the smaller, the shorter objectives or the longer objectives, and slowly, gradually proceed towards your vision. So management, to become a better manager, management to understand the basics, the efficiency part of it, I'd like to tell you that supposing you ask somebody, we will go to a movie, or we will go down for a picnic, or we will go and enjoy a good evening of IPL semi-final match, and you watch that person. He will be quick on his feet, his movement will be fast. You put a condition to it, okay, we got to get this task over, then we are going to see that IPL semi-final or a lovely movie, I'll sponsor it. And you see the difference in his approach to the daily work that he does. He may be doing the same work daily, but today he has got spring in his feet, he is moving fast, and you can make out the difference is he's very focused. Today you see him very focused. Why? Try to understand that. The two things, you have put it in his mind that he will get rewarded. You have not said it's a reward. You said, just okay, we have been working too long. We are going to watch IPL semi-final sponsored by me. But you see, he is working fast. He is more focused. When you are more focused, you tend to complete the same job in lesser time. So make your team more focused and give them a motivation. Make them feel they are part of the larger goal and objective that you are going to achieve. And that is the reason some team work really well. They are focused. And when you are focused, you tend to achieve the same thing in lesser time. So a good manager will make his team efficient by discussing the goals and the objective and the role that person is going to play. It is not that you are taking the cake. It is that you are giving credit to your team that they are playing a role in achieving that larger goal and perspective of the organization. So a good manager, an efficient manager, will carry the team along, and he will inform them of the goals to be achieved, the role that they are going to play, and that goes a long way in making his mind understand he is important. If you make anybody feel important, a part of your team, he works focused and he tries to achieve his task, the limited task that he has given him. That makes the team more effective. So to be a good manager, management lesson will tell you, yes, manage your work. You need a good team, a focused team, and a focused team mind is set and focused on his work by motivation. You occupy his mind with your own theory, ethics, so that your team is more efficient, more focused, and you become a good manager. So management is an art and of understanding your team. Management is an art of getting work done efficiently. I hope you understand what I've been trying to tell you, what is management. Thank you. You can listen to it again to understand. This is Chef Rakesh signing off.